Hello, in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to test and run the Flint Docker on Ubuntu 20.04. This guide will work for any Linux OS as well as Mac and even on Windows. First, let's open Chrome and go to docs.moja.global. Click on the menu button and then click on Flint Development Setup. Scroll down and click on Docker installation. Make sure that Docker is installed on your system. Now open a terminal window. Let's test Docker first. Use the command docker pull hello-world to install the hello world image. Next, use the command docker run hello-world to run the hello world image. If you get a similar output as shown here, it means that Docker is running properly. Instead of building the required libraries, a pre-built Docker image is available for Flint on our Docker Hub. You can pull and run Flint using this pre-built image using the following commands. First, we need to pull the image. To do this, run the command docker pull moja global /flint. The container is being installed. It may take a while. Now, to run the container, copy the docker run command and paste it in the terminal. Now, once you are inside the container, use moja.cli to run Flint. moja.cli --help shows the allowed options. Hence, we have successfully installed Flint Docker on our Linux or Mac machine. Thanks for watching. You can contact us via info@moja.global if you have any questions.